Do you always get people requesting you to send them money through Cash App? Good news, I'm going to show you how to turn that off so that random people can't just send you money requests on the app. So here I am showing my Cash App screen. Cash App is a full service banking and investing app. You have a cash balance, savings, Bitcoin stocks, a card where you can spend your balance, and peer-to-peer payments where people could request money from you. So how to turn that off? Anywhere in the app, you'll see your icon in the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on that. This is like the menu where you get some more information about your account and you have some settings. So we want to scroll down until we see privacy and security. Go ahead and tap on that. Here we have some good security features. Definitely turn the top one on that requires Face ID to transfer funds. What you want to do is scroll down to requests. And this is where you'll be able to turn off those features. So if you want only your contacts to be able to request money from you, you can select only contacts there. If you want to make it so nobody can request you money, just toggle this off right here. Then nobody can send you a request. You can always toggle that back on at any time that you want. I usually just keep mine on with contacts only. Then just go back, close that out, and your settings are saved. Now only the people that you specified will be able to request money from you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.